Hey guys, how's it going today? I recently had the chance to put the Midea 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner through its paces in my small bedroom and home office, and overall, it made a solid impression. As someone who lives in a climate that often pushes the thermometer well past comfortable levels, I was eager to see whether this compact unit could deliver reliable cooling without breaking the bank or the window frame. From the moment I unboxed the air conditioner, I noticed how lightweight and manageable it was. At just under 40 pounds, it felt far easier to lift into place than some of the bulkier models I've wrestled with in the past. The installation hardware, side panels, screws, and foam seals, was all included in the package, and the instructions were straightforward. It took me about 30 minutes to secure the unit in a standard double-hung window, and I appreciated the clear diagrams and step-by-step guidance. Even if you've never installed a window air conditioner before, the process is approachable. Once powered on, the Midea unit surprised me with how quickly it began circulating cool air. The 5000 BTU rating is designed to cover rooms up to 150 square feet, and in my 120 square foot space, the temperature dropped from a muggy 78 degrees Celsius to a comfortable 72 degrees Celsius in under 10 minutes. I found that the three fan speeds, low, medium, and high, offered enough flexibility for different degrees of humidity and heat. On high, the compressor ran nearly continuously at first, but as the room approached my target, it cycled less frequently, indicating decent thermostat control. One of my main concerns was energy consumption. Midea advertises this model as energy efficient, carrying the Energy Star label, and indeed, after a week of use, I noticed only a modest uptick in my electric bill. According to the manual, the unit's EER, energy efficiency ratio, is 11.1, which is competitive in this class. In practice, running overnight in sleep mode, which dims the display, lowers the fan speed, and gradually adjusts the set temperature, helped conserve power without sacrificing comfort. I typically set the temperature to 78 degrees in sleep mode, and I woke up feeling pleasantly cool without any noticeable spikes in energy usage. Noise level was another factor that mattered to me, especially since I work from home and sometimes need quiet. On the low setting, the hum was barely perceptible over ambient sounds. It's rated at about 52 dB, which I'd describe as comparable to a quiet conversation or a gentle rainfall. Switching to high did introduce a more noticeable whir, around 56 dB, but it didn't drown out my music or disturb my focus. For light sleepers, the sleep mode's reduced fan speed was a blessing, ensuring the nighttime drone didn't interrupt rest. Beyond core performance, I was impressed by the additional features. The LED display is simple but clear, showing the set temperature and operating mode. A built-in timer lets me program the unit to turn on or off in hourly increments up to 24 hours, which has been useful for cooling the room before I arrive home or shutting off after I fall asleep. The remote control, though plastic feeling, functions reliably from across the room, and it includes locks to prevent accidental changes, a small touch that parents might appreciate. Maintenance has so far been hassle-free. The washable filter is easily accessible behind the front grille. I simply slide the panel up, remove the filter, rinse it under the sink, and let it air dry. I've cleaned it weekly, and there's no sign of ice buildup or unusual condensation. In the drip pan, that said, if you live in an extremely humid area, you may want to check the drip tray more frequently to prevent overflow. One area where the Midea 5000 BTU unit felt slightly limited was air distribution. Because of its compact blower, the cool air tends to concentrate directly in front of the unit. In a small space, this isn't a major issue, but in larger rooms or irregular layouts, you may need to reposition furniture or use a supplementary fan to circulate air more evenly. Considering price, this model sits comfortably in the budget category, offering many of the comforts of higher-end units without the hefty price tag. It's often available for under $200, making it an attractive option for renters, students, or anyone who needs straightforward cooling without extra bells and whistles. For me, the balance of performance, efficiency, and ease of use makes it a smart buy. After several weeks of daily operation during peak afternoon heat, I feel confident in recommending the Midea 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner to anyone with a small to medium space. It handles basic cooling tasks admirably, runs quietly enough for bedrooms or offices, and doesn't demand endless maintenance. If you're seeking an affordable, hassle-free solution to beat the heat, this unit is well worth considering. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.